Hi, today we will see about how to do gift wrap with the help of newspaper, which is actually no cost packaging. So here you can see there are two types of packaging. One I did only with newspaper without doing any changes to that. These two are little bit different from this because these two look like the newspapers are very old. But actually these are same newspaper, but I just got this texture with the help of coffee and water. So I'll tell you how to get this texture and how to make a very good packaging with the help of newspaper. You need a newspaper clipping of whatever size you want, and make sure that it is not having any other colors. So it should be only black and white so that your gift wrapping will be looking good. And a double side tape, I'm using a thin tape and don't take the thick one. And a brush, you can use either flat brush or round brush, pair of scissors, satin ribbon for decoration, and a mix of coffee powder and water. You can take a teaspoon of coffee powder and mix it with water. Don't dilute it too much, otherwise you won't be able to get the color properly. Like I said before, you can even use this paper directly, but if you want to get a little more old texture, it is better to use a coffee solution in that. It's a very simple process. Just take a teaspoon of coffee powder and mix it with water and use the brush, either flat or round brush. I'm using round brush, and just give a wash. Make sure to keep some board at the bottom, since because we are using newspaper, it is better to have something in the bottom. Don't worry about the strokes. We diluted the coffee powder, so it won't make any strokes after the newspaper gets dry. If your coffee powder is properly diluted with less water, then a single wash is enough to get the proper color. I have completed. Like I was telling, you can see the bottom, so make sure that you have some other layer in the bottom when you are giving the wash. And now you can see all the colors from the background is seen in this layer, but it is not an issue. Once the paper gets dried, these all won't be visible. Leave it aside, it will take a while to dry. Well, I have another paper which I did already, so you can see the difference between the wet one and the dry one. So even here there are colors on the background, but it is not seen on the foreground. So this is what I was talking about before. So once this sheet gets dried, you won't be able to see the colors from the background. So I'll use this one to demonstrate now. With this I also colored one full sheet. You can have a look at this. So this is for packing bigger things. Take the box which you want to pack and keep this upside down, and then we will start packing. And the reason why I'm using double side tape is if you use gum, it will be sticky in the outside, or if you use cello tape, it will be seen in the outside. But if you use a double side tape, it will not be seen, it will be hidden inside. So we'll start packing now. Keep the box in the middle, and it is better to stick the first layer so that to the box. You can use a very small tape and stick it, so that the box won't move when you are doing the packing. Yeah. You all can see this is the double side tape where I took the base, so that now I can directly stick it to the box. Yeah. Okay. Now for the next layer, you can use more tape and stick the whole edge. Make sure to stick it in the edge of the sheet. Now you can remove the base. Give a little pull from the base and then paste it so that you won't be having any wrinkles in the back. So now you can see it is all flat everywhere. Now your packaging is ready. If you have an origami sheet, then take a very small square from that. When you are using newspaper, it is better to use a black and white theme so that it goes well with the newspaper color. Don't use a very bigger part to stick this. Use a very small part so that these will be protruding out. We saw how to do box packaging till now. Now we'll move on to how to do the chocolate packaging. This is useful for packing the dresses because it can be folded and it can be rolled into this shape. So it is better if you have a cylindrical shape things which you want to do the packaging. If you have some other thing which is cylindrical in default, then you can use this packaging for that also. I'll demonstrate with the cloth. So again, here there are little colors there, but it will go inside, so it doesn't matter. The main part is the center part, so that is in black and white, so it is not an issue. This is actually a very simple package. Keep your cloth in the center so that you can leave around some 6 to 7 centimeters gap in the side and roll the pack. Here you will be using only in the center. You'll be using the tape only in the center. Make sure that you are covering the cloth fully so that the double side tape is on the paper, not on the cloth. So now we got the cylindrical portion. Now you can see the inside part, so you just hold at the edge and crush it to get this shape. You can just crush it normally. If you are using some other origami paper or some other color sheet, you can use any color ribbon with respect to the color. Since we are using the newspaper theme, we are using black and white color here. Now the package is ready. Like I said before, take a very thin strip of tape, stick it exactly in the center, and then stick the heart to the package. You can use this heart to write something on that.